Hello guys, it's your boy Evan here, and today we are looking at our dog in the cage. And let's go see the photo. So, what I want for Christmas is a PC, Xbox, new iPad, new blanket, new house, toys, and a watch.
We are well over halfway through.
And all what I want for Christmas. Pause. Before we move on to the video, I want to tell you a Merry Christmas. I pause. And when I see my basketball hoop, I'm gonna show you this. Okay, let's go. This is my basketball hoop. It doesn't work anymore because the net thingy is broken. And I was eating this nugget. And this pizza, which is burnt a little bit. And this is for the nuggets. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. Yum. I actually love it. I'm not being sus. But you did look at my dog. In the case. Let's go.
This is like French time.
This is my dog. Right here. Right here. Behind where you see the color field. And that's people on upstairs. Look how they're making the cakes. You sure they're making the cakes? If you do, you have to subscribe, like, and turn on all the notifications. Watch all my shorts and videos. Bye.